We have a new DVD out. We're starting the shoe line, the stiletto flat shoe. I'm gonna make shoes that are dope, but you can walk in them for longer than an hour. Come on, somebody. Really? Get a little padding on the heel, help sister. I'm like, when you're jumping and you're 55 and a half years old trying to be cute. I'm just saying. I also have an autobiography coming out next year. A new book called From Pain to Purpose, which coincides with the new CD that's coming out in June. So with signing artists going all over the world, you know my passion for elevating our foundation for children using music arts as therapy. We're signing our first young artist. We brought her here to DC because she's from the Bay Area. She just turned 14. And I want you guys to give her some love. It's only